Okay, so we're done. You've seen the whole thing, right? From the very beginning. I showed you the little obstacles, or maybe not little. I show you the real workflow. I show you how to highlight Chrome parts, how to use the knowledge that you got from either your previous experience or courses from level 1 or level 2 on 40G, about shooting glossy and matte parts. How to finalize shot when everything is ready. You just clean it, make sure that it's the last part, you clean it, you add water or remove or whatever, do everything that it's ready for the shot, okay? And you do then the final shot. Now the very last piece that I want to cover would be this. We have coffee, we have everything. You remember about reflection on top of our coffee maker from that colored spot? Now I want to make it without that colored spot, okay? And I'm turning off that light. Okay, so one shot without. It's very useful for retoucher if he needs or she needs to retouch. Sometimes you need to, when everything ready, do shots without some lights, okay? Because sometimes you have some parasitic reflection, sometimes things which fixes one part may be kind of screwing up other part. So turning lights and shooting it with one with each light may help, give you more shots for compositing, for making a composite and making a nice image. Okay, so we're getting it like this. It's awesome. And the last part is to shoot it without a gel, okay? So I lowered power of that background light. I lowered it back to 1600 watt second. And this is our final shot, okay? Now let's go through this. This is another final shot, but with color. This is without color, then with less lights. So we have clean picture of each part. Okay, this is it. So let me record the lighting setup as it was on the final shot. You see how small spots on, how small is spot on this side, right? This is to create nice gradient on this surface, okay? So the spot is little, and somewhere on the edge of that spot is where exactly we get in reflection from on this flat surface. If you look from the camera, angle, you will probably see, let me try to kind of look at, there is a spot, you see that spot reflected, right? Then that light, you see how gradient look like, and this is where we getting all nice gradient from on this area, right? The very top area gets reflection from diffuser, and this area gets reflection from the table. Then we have a spot on the background, and this is spotlight is highlighting top of our coffee maker. And the last light is over here, okay? And by the way, you can see a little bit of swing on 5 degree to get the whole thing in the focus, okay? Alrighty. The last light is this one, and this Einstein on the color mode, it helps us to create a nice reflection on the coffee cup, okay? On this glass coffee cup, this is where this reflection is coming from. Okay, this is the power of the packs. You see, it's close to maximum here on the 1200 and here on 3200 watt second pack. So 200 watt second and 800 watt second for light number 1, this light on the background, and light number 2 for this spot. Of course, background has much more power. And these two lights has 800 and 400 watt second power distribution, where 400 watt second goes to this spot, number 3, and 800 watt second goes there, right? Because it's kind of double reflection, you need much more power on the diffuser. Okie dokie. So this is walkthrough around the lighting setup. You see I have connected Nespresso coffee maker to the AC power outlet, so we can make coffee. And this is our light number 1, which creates a spot. Alrighty. So now you've seen everything. We are done. As usual, if you have any questions, post on the forum for this course, and links is under every lesson. And well, looking forward to see your shots. Alrighty, this was Alex Koloskov from 40g.com. Bye.